Mastering object pronouns in relative clauses. Using who as an object pronoun. Hello, English language learners. Welcome back to our series on intermediate English grammar. Today, we're diving into a fascinating aspect of English relative clauses, focusing specifically on relative pronouns, and more precisely on using who as an object pronoun. Ready? Let's get started. Relative clauses give extra information about a noun, the person, thing, place, or idea, without starting a new sentence. They are introduced by relative pronouns like who, which, that, and whose. For example, in the sentence, "The man who is sitting over there is my uncle," the relative clause is who is sitting over there. When we talk about object pronouns in relative clauses, we're referring to the pronouns that represent the object of the verb in the relative clause. For instance, in the sentence, "The book that I bought is amazing," that is the object pronoun because it represents the book, which is the object of the verb bought. Who is a versatile relative pronoun that can refer to the subject or the object of a relative clause. As an object pronoun, who can be used in place of whom, which many find more natural and less formal. For example, in the sentence, "This is the person who I met at the conference," who is the object of the verb met. Let's try a few more examples to fully grasp the usage of who as an object pronoun. 1. The artist who you admire so much is coming to town. 2. Do you know the woman who Jake married? 3. That's the team who we played last week. Notice that who in these sentences is the object of the verbs admire, married, and played, respectively. Congratulations! You've now mastered using who as an object pronoun in English relative clauses. This might seem tricky at first, but with practice, it will become second nature. Remember, language learning is a journey, so keep practicing and don't be afraid to make mistakes. I hope this lesson has been helpful. Stay tuned for more grammar lessons in our Intermediate English series, and as always, happy learning!